Wow. What's up, you guys? This is your Winglady, and I'm back today with another lovely video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Winglady is doing well. Getting better, getting to know the whole being a new mom thing. Hi guys, how are you doing? By the title of today's video, you already know we're doing this for the men on my channel. Guys, I know that most times I do reviews on female perfumes and you guys feel so left out, and you have been complaining that Winglady or you're sidelining us. How is it gonna be? So I went out and I got some perfumes for you guys. I want to do a haul and unbox it in front of you guys, and we smell it together, and I can recommend to you the ones that bang. You know how we do it, okay? So I got 5 perfumes here. I got Suspenso. I hear this is really nice for guys. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Then I got Mocha Wood. Yeah, I also heard this is really, really good. I don't know, you guys, I'm gonna smell it with you and I'm gonna recommend to you which ones are nice. Then I have Soleil d'Umbra, jacques yves. Then I got Avanti for him. This one has such a huge box. Then I have Intense Man. Okay, so I'm not sure which ones are going to bang, but this is what we do here. We try things out and I recommend the really good ones for you. So let's try it with Suspenso. Let's start with Suspenso. For first impressions and unboxing, I've never smelled Suspenso before, so let's smell this together and see if it is worth your bank, if it is worth your buck, if it is worth your money. So the bottle is, the box is sort of velvety and is brown. It is the apparent dupe or clone of Dolce & Gabbana Intenso. So let's see. I haven't smelled Intenso, but I just want to try this one out since I hear it's such a nice one for you guys. Hey, look at this. I'm loving the bottle. Okay, so let's check it out. Nice sprayer. It just gives you such a generous burst of perfume. Wow, this is so smooth. It smells a little bit like Suave. You know, Suave, the fragrance world dupe or clone of Sauvage. That's Suave that I reviewed. It smells a little bit like that, but more mellow, more smooth, and more tame. This is classic. This is nice. This is nice, guys. This is really nice. Yeah, you can get this one. This is nice. It's nice. Wow, it's giving you that opulent vibe. Such smooth. You know, like coffee. Is it coffee? Like whiskey, but I don't drink whiskey. Something like so smooth and blended, and it smells really, really good. That is Suspenso. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. You can buy that one. Next, we're gonna try Mocha Wood. Okay, I heard this one is the apparent dupe of Boudicca the Victorious Hero. Yeah, so this is Mocha Wood from Fragrance World. It's also affordable. All of these perfumes are affordable. I'm going to leave links to where you can buy them in the description box. I'm going to leave links to all of these perfumes in the description box for you guys, so you can purchase them if you want to. This is Mocha Wood. Let us try Mocha Wood. A lovely bottle, smooth. Okay, pop up. Oh my god, I cannot wait to smell this juice. I've heard so much about it. I just cannot wait. Let's see if it does not disappoint me, because the thing about things that I've heard a lot about is that they end up disappointing me. I hope this one doesn't. Here. Okay, let it settle down. This one smells like a cup of coffee. For real. Okay, it is not intense. It is sort of mild, mellow, but strong. This is not a shouty scent, but it is right there. And it is powerful. It smells like a cup of coffee. In fact, ladies can plug onto this as well. If you're someone that likes smelling like coffee, chocolate, you know, that sort of range, if you pair this with Choco Musk or D&G, the only one, you know, all those coffee smelling fragrances, you're going to be smelling bomb all day. This one smells like a cup of coffee, literally, with some woody notes in the background. A cup of coffee, a cup of coffee, a cup of like coffee. I like this one, but it's mellow. It's not such a loud scent. It's not a shouty scent. This is going to get you noticed too, because it's right there. But I don't know how strong it will be. We'll see. Next, we have Soleil d'Ombre, Jacques. This is the dupe of Louis Vuitton Umbra. Is it Umbra leather or something? I think Umbra Nomad. I don't quite remember. Umbra Nomad, the ones that know. Louis Vuitton Umbra Nomad. Is it Nomad Umbra? I'm not sure. Something Umbra. This is Soleil d'Ombre, Jacques Yves. So I don't know how good this one is. Let's try it. I'm so happy. This makes me so happy. Ain't nothing like the smell of new perfume. Okay. Oh boy. I don't know how this smells, but I would buy it just for this bottle. It is so velvety. It is, oh my God, it looks like something you made in a chemistry lab. Yeah, chemistry students. Yeah, let's try it. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Calm down. I cannot wait to smell how there's a lot of leather in here. A heavy dose of leather. It hits me straight to the nose. Oh my God. It is so leathery. Okay, if you're someone that likes leather scents, something like you like Caid, you know, the original Caid. If you like that kind of scent, you might like this because it is so leather forward. But personally, I don't like leather. Sorry guys, I don't know what it does to me. Personally, I don't like leather, that leather note in a perfume. Like, I don't like smelling it on my man. But it is done very smoothly in here. It blends. It smells almost like an Arabian perfume. Like a mixture of a little bit of oud and leather. And some sweetness in the background, but that sweetness doesn't come through. Overall, this is actually very quality. If you love leather, you have to get this perfume because it is not jagged leather. It is actually well-rounded, well-blended, super smooth leather, if you know what I mean. But the leather is too much for me. The leather is too much for me. If you like leather notes in perfume, this will really do it for you. It's a very rich and strong scent, and I'm pretty sure it's going to last all day. This is strong. Leather people, this is your thing. Not for me, not for me. Winglady doesn't like leather too much. Then this is Avanti for him. Okay, this is the dupe or the clone of Prada Le Homme. Prada Le Homme. That is Prada for men, the eau de toilette. So we unbox it like so. I particularly like this one. I'm so looking forward to how it smells because of the big box. Be careful when opening this. It looks like it opens like so. Be careful. Ooh. Oh, it feels really opulent. I think it's supposed to sit inside the box like so. Okay. It feels really opulent. Avanti for him. Dupe of Prada Le Homme. EDT. Okay. How do you smell? Wow. Okay, if you can take away the fact that the alcohol really stings your nose, I mean, if you put it on your nose instantly, the alcohol stings. But if you can get past that, wow, this is really good. Oh, this is really good. Avanti for him is actually giving. I thought it wasn't going to give, but it's giving. It's sort of fresh. Okay, we have the citrusy lemony thing going on, but not too much. It's not a fresh perfume. It's also a bit fruity because I can catch some fruits in there, like aside from the citrus thing going on, I can catch some sweet fruits going on in the background, sort of like apples. Yeah, it sort of smells like apples. Ah, this one is so well blended and rounded. This is what a male perfume. To me, this is sort of what I like to smell on a man. This is what a male perfume should smell like. Powerful, smooth, creamy, blended, little bit fresh, and the sweetness should come through. The sweetness comes through in this. Oh my God, guys. It smells like a classic man. You know, like those guys that wear suits. They drive a black car. They're in a suit. They only wear Italian shoes. You know, the top, the rich guys. It smells like a rich guy. If you wear this, people are going to think you have loads in your bank account. I'm not even playing. It smells like those top guys that work for companies. You know, those guys that take elevators every day. My. This is nice. This is nice. I've recommended which one now? I recommended this one and I recommended Suspenso. Those two ones are still at the top. The rest are fine, but if you want to get this one and get Suspenso. Those two ones, they're good. They're good. Winglady says they're good. Now, the last but not the least, I have Intense Man. I firstly heard about this Intense Man on someone's channel. I think, was it Dia? I think I heard about it on Dia's channel, and she said Intense Man that she bought it, although she's a girl, that she bought it because it was sweet. And I was like, a man's perfume that's sweet, maybe we should try it out. Okay, and it's affordable. This is Intense Man. Yep, by Fragrance World. Guys, don't say I never do anything for you. Don't say I don't do anything for you. Winglady, got you. Okay, Intense Man. Let's find out if it's actually that intense. Okay. So cute. This one is so cute. Aww. So cute. Intense Man. Okay. Let's see how Intense Man smells. Oh, the alcohol is a bit much here. It's alcoholic. I hope it has dried down. Okay. This isn't what I expected it to be. It kind of smells a little bit feminine, a little bit, because there's vanilla in there and it's creamy. It's creamy sweet. Okay, so Intense Man is fresh, almost like a blue fragrance. Not that fresh, but it is fresh. The first thing you get there is like mint. It is super fresh and minty. That's what you firstly get. I mean, that's what I get. Obviously, I don't know the notes yet. I'm going to make a review. But it is minty, fresh, sweet, and vanillic. Am I speaking correct English? Vanillic, vanilla. It has vanilla. So you firstly get the vanilla, then something minty, then something lemony, then sweetness. It is really nice, but it is not exactly my kind of scent. You know what I mean? It's not that kind of scent that makes me go, oh my god. No, it's nice. It's really nice. It's creamy. If you want a sort of scent that you just like buy and then you can use it to layer like a creamy men's scent, you can buy this. This will work for you. Ladies can also wear it because of that creaminess thing going on. It will be good for layering. But as a man scent alone, it's not really doing it for me. Not totally doing it for me. If you need like a man scent that will stand on its own, you can get this or you can get this one. These are the top two I'm recommending for today. Suspenso and Avanti for him. Actually, this one is number one. This one is number two. But either one of these will work for you. Either one of these will do really, really great for you. This one has a ton of leather that I don't really like, and this is Mocha Wood. This is chocolate. I mean, this is just like coffee. You know that brewing smell. You know that smell that you smell when you enter into like a coffee shop. This is it for you. So that's it for today's haul. Let me know which ones you want to see a review on first, so that Winglady is gonna get right to it. I'm gonna wear it myself. You know, all these perfumes, I wear them myself. I don't care if they are men's or women's perfume. I wear them. I test out the longevity, everything. I'm gonna try it out and come back with a full review video for you guys as soon as I can. You know, as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're not yet subscribed, oh my god, please subscribe. What are you doing? Please like this video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, ciao.